Hello, welcome to the Secrets of Wall Street. My name is Jose, and today we're going to talk about what happened in the markets today. And today was pretty much an uneventful day as far as the stock market, and they're pretty much flat. But the plays we did mention did have a pretty much a run up, so we're going to be talking about that. I'm going to talk about one other stock that I kind of feel is looking to start a run up right now. Like it's not much going on, but I kind of feel there will be soon. There's a lot of chatter with the stock, so we're going to talk about that. And as always, if you could like, subscribe, that'll really help out the channel. Share to your friends if you see there's anybody really interested in these type of content as well. So with that, let's get started. So here we have the chart of Cosmos, and we're going to talk about this. And Cosmos today ran another 33%. Very interesting, with very good. As far as like post markets down 7%, but again, after running 33% for consecutive days is pretty good in itself, that the stock itself has a lot of momentum behind it. We're going to be looking at that right now. Here I have pretty much, let me just pull this up here. Here is a lot of the volume that you see here for this chart, and I'm just probably going to take myself away so you could see. But here you see from the 17th. On the 17th was pretty much with the start of this, the low was 13 cents. So that was a 10% run up, and it ran on 30 million in volume. On the 20th, it ran 21% on 98 million of volume. Then on the 21st, it ran 86% on 371 million in volume. On the 22nd was the highest volume day. Not much really happened there. Pretty much had 4 million in volume for 402 million, but and went down 2%. But then on the 24th, 34%. On the 27th, 34%, and on the 28th, 34%. So you're gonna see that the stock is pretty much running up a lot on volume, and today it ran up another 30%. So the interest is still there. So, and we're going to talk about a catalyst that actually is possibly going to help it propel a bit further. So here we have pretty much a catalyst for the stock, and it's that they have a weight loss drug that's pretty much entering a development phase. So and they plan on having it initial clinical trials in 2023 of fourth quarter 2023. So pretty much what it means is that next year you're probably going to see a lot of this stock run up. But the good thing about this is a stock that was pretty much looking to be delisted, and now that they have a product that could potentially enter FDA approval, means that this is a company that has something on the pipeline that investors could be looking forward to, which is very good, which is something that will give it momentum. A lot of the momentum is happening now. If you're looking to see if this stock is going to have some staying power, probably, because now that it has a concrete product that is most likely looking to enter a space that not too many companies actually have a working product. And this is one product that I kind of feel will benefit a lot of people if it does get FDA approval. And a lot of that really depends on that FDA approval. To give you a little bit more confident to invest a little bit of money in this stock, this is probably it. So I kind of feel like this is going to be gaining momentum as far as like this stock maybe holding up a bit more, maybe run up to maybe that $1 mark that it needs to not be delisted. And I kind of feel that's more or less where we'll enter a gray area as far as like, should I invest or not? Right now, I kind of feel it's still pretty safe to do so. But once it hits that $1 mark, then most likely it'll probably be a gray area. So we'll see. Another stock that I want to mention here is Upstart. Okay, so the next stock I have here is Upstart, and it hasn't really run up much, which is pretty good if you're looking to get in early. But there is a lot of chatter with this stock, and a lot of people are starting to look at this stock as the next stock that's going to start running up. A lot of the reason for this, there's a lot of short interest in the stock. The CEO itself has bought some shares as well. So there is that potential for some good news with this stock. If a CEO is actually buying, they'll know the company obviously inside out. So a lot of people have started talking about this as a potential next play, and I myself decided to like create a small position in it just to see how it plays out. If it does go up, I'll probably share that as well. So this is one stock I guess to look out for. As always, if you want, just do your own research to see if you're looking to invest in the stock. But I kind of feel this is going to be the next one that's going to probably be pushed by people to start running up a bit. We'll see if that's the case. This is very, very early. A lot of these stocks sometimes do run, sometimes they don't. So we'll see. There's a lot of chatter, which is pretty good. As far as like maybe some potential upside. So that'll be all for today. If you have any questions, concerns, feel free to reach out. And with that, thank you.